Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when you can create a playlist on TikTok after the latest 2025 update. And if you are a new account like mine, you will notice there's no no create playlist buttons on here. But don't worry, I will share a simple trick to enable it even without having 10,000 followers. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First, let's quick talk about what a playlist is. A playlist on TikTok is basically a collection of video grouped together under one topic. For example, you can create a playlist for tutorials, vlogs, or series content. This is super helpful because it keeps your profile organized and increase watch times, which is really good for your TikTok growth. Now here's the problem. In the latest TikTok versions, especially for new accounts, the playlist feature is locked unless you reach 10,000 followers. And if I show you my content here, you will see that there's no options to create a playlist, not even inside TikTok Studio under more tools on here. There's no options to create a playlist. But don't worry, here's the trick. Just open your browser like this and then just log in with your TikTok account and switch to desktop mode so all the features appear. Just tap on three dots icons and then checklist the desktop sites, this one, like this. And now you will see a create playlist button. This one. Just tap on it. And next just name your playlist. And then just select the video that you want to include. Just tap on here and then just select your video. Like this. And when you're done, just tap on create this one. This one, just tap on it. And then your playlist is now created. This one. Next, let's go back to the TikTok app. And if you refresh, you might notice that the playlist still doesn't appear at the top of your profile yet. But don't worry, that's normal. Your playlist is still exists. If you check one of the video that you edit, you will see the playlist label under it. And when you click it, and, and when you click on it, the playlist works just fine like this. And here's the cool part, even though it doesn't show up on your profile, other people can see your playlist when they visit your account. For example, like this. Jassy from another account, my playlist shows perfectly on my profile like this. So that's it guys, even without hitting 10,000 followers, you can still create playlists on TikTok using this little web trick. Super easy and super effective. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!